I share that story because if we could have just pointed to some documents that were written by a legal professional, notarized, witnessed, that laid out her intentions in detail, there wouldn't be conflict between us. As you see, estate planning is a vehicle where we serve our clients to avoid three things. That's conflict within a family, confusion. If someone had to step into your shoes this evening, would they know? Where do you bank? Where do you keep the deed to your house? Anything. How do you get into your phone? Who are your emergency contacts? Who would be the guardian for your child? Anything like that? We want to avoid confusion, conflict, and we want to avoid court because this is the philosophy of our firm at Cedar Counsel. Life's noblest service is to plant trees under whose shade you will not sit. You'll see my family there on the right, and this is who I'm planning for. And Brenton, this is his beautiful family here on the left. This is who we're planning for those who we would be leaving behind. We have been very intentional about our lives. We've gone to school, become educated, started businesses, all of these different things. And we want to make sure that we maintain that momentum no matter what, that we put things in place, that if we are sick, if we're injured, or if we pass away, that we have plans in place for our loved ones. So let's talk about what estate planning is and how that differs from financial planning, because a lot of people will come to me for financial advice, what insurance plans to put in place. I'm sure, Brenton, people come to you with estate planning questions, but they overlap, but we have very distinct practice areas. So what this is estate planning is planning for an emergency and planning for the distribution of your assets in legal lease, but really it's what do you want done with your things if something were to happen to you, and how do you want your affairs handled? Who's going to make medical decisions for you? Who's going to take care of your children? Do you want your children to receive money when they turn 18, or do you want to have asset protection vehicles for them into their adulthood? What do you want to happen? So that's what estate planning is. And we're probably most familiar with the documents associated with an estate plan. And I'm here to tell you that the documents are an essential byproduct of an estate plan, but they don't comprise what makes an effective or complete comprehensive estate plan.